We're going to look at 7 and 8. And as we start to look at these, we start to notice that even before we make any adjustments, we have variables on both sides. So whereas in the first 6 problems, we didn't need to move variables, we're now going to include that step. So we got our sign change. There is no distributive. Combine like terms doesn't apply. I can't add these terms, and I can't add or subtract these terms. So I'm now going to move my x's to the same side, and I'm going to move the one that there is less of, the one that's smaller. This one's smaller, so I'm going to add its opposite. If I move the variables to the left, now I'm going to move the constants to the other side to isolate 8x. The opposite of 6 is negative 6. And negative 18 plus negative 6 is negative 24. I'm going to divide both sides by 8. A negative divided by a positive is a negative, and 24 divided by 8 is 3. Number 8. Start with distributive property. And I noticed this side just seems longer. And as I wrote it, I noticed that I had some like terms on that side. This side is as simplified as it's going to get for now. 6x plus 2x is 8x. And now we're going to move x's. We're going to move the smaller amount, which is 8, by adding its opposite. Remember that we're writing the x also. We're lining them up under the terms they go with, so that if we wanted to, we could just convince ourselves that those cancel and then more easily add or subtract these to get 4x plus negative 12 equals 4. Now we're going to move the 12. Since it's negative, we're going to add a positive. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4. We get x equals 4.